Hi. Yeah, tuko poa.
Sawa. Asante sana waheshimiwa. Thank you Jagwa. Mheshimiwa Jagwa kutoka Starehe na Mheshimiwa Babu Owino from Embakasi East. Nataka kuchukua muda mingi sana. Will be very precise. Ndio hiyo wasi. Ndio wasi. Tukubaliana nitaisoma.
Sawa, soma. Watu wajue content.
Watu wajue content sana. Sasa tuko hapa na the most youthful members of parliament in East Africa or Kenya. KJ akonjiana na kuja. So we chose to present this to Honorable Babu Owino, MP Embakasi, Honorable Charles Njagwa, MP Starehe, Honorable John Kiarie, MP Dagoretti South. This is the 12th Parliament, Departmental Committee on Communication, Information and Innovation. And the issue is supporting and promoting our local artists through the media. I will read it. That aware that the freedom of the media is guaranteed in Article 34 of the Kenyan Constitution, further aware that Article 34(4) states that all state-owned media shall A, be free to determine independently the editorial content of their broadcast or other communications, cognizant of the fact that Parliament under Article 34 in brackets 5 enacted legislation that provided for the establishment of the Media Council of Kenya, an independent national institution established by the Media Council Act number 20 of 2013 for the purposes of setting of media standards and ensuring compliance with those standards as set out in Article 34(5) of the Constitution and for connected purposes. Further cognizant that that a vibrant music economy can drive value for a country in several important ways. It fuels job creation, economic growth, tourism development and artistic growth, and strengthens a country's brand. And that a strong music community also attracts high-skilled young workers in all sectors for whom quality of life is a priority. This in turn attracts business investment. Alarmed that the Kenyan music industry has arguably become more saturated than it has ever been before, which means that it is also becoming increasingly difficult for artists to have their music heard, and alarmed that the Kenyan media is obsessed with foreign music and art, therefore biased and discriminatory to our local artists, hence bringing discontent and frustrations to our artists. This house, hiyo sasa itakuwa ni kazi yenu, resolves that the Kenyan media should be compelled through the Media Council of Kenya to play 75% of their music from Kenyan artists. This will enhance local music support for culture preservation and provide local support mechanisms that will bring encouragement to artists, implicit in national recognition, and also avoid millions of shillings in form of royalties leaving the country to be paid to foreign artists. Presented to Honorable Babu Owino, Embakasi East, Honorable Charles Njagwa, MP Starehe, and Honorable John Kiarie, MP Dagoretti South.
Sawa Eriko. Kazi poa sana. Umestruggle bwana, juzi nilikuwa naona watu wengine venye wanakuhandle. Yenyewe watu wako chini kama downstairs ya hell. Iko sawa. We are happy to receive this, and probably we can talk about it in a few, and I would like to thank the media personalities who are here, some of the artists also who are here, and most importantly I would like to thank Eric Omondi for this great initiative, because Eric has gone out of his way to ensure that artists in this country are recognized as artists. In fact, the artists in Kenya should be treated as the primary personnel, the primary persons, the primary there's a word I'm looking for and it's disappearing. So this is also in the same industry. Yes, the primary principle. Kenyan artists should be treated as the primary principle in this industry should also be treated as the secondary principle in this industry. And the foreign artists should be treated as the tertiary, not secondary, but tertiary principle in this industry. In our country, when you go to countries like Nigeria, they value the industry, the music industry. When you come to Kenya, we value foreign music as compared to what we produce in our country. We know that there are different avenues to the city of victory. One of the avenues is through talent, through sporting activities, through comedy, through talent, through the artists that we have in this country. They are supporting families, and they are also contributing to the economy of this nation. Therefore, we cannot afford to kill the music industry in this nation. As a member of parliament and a youthful one for that matter, together with the Honorable Jagwa and other youthful MPs, and even the old, they listen to music. Whichever kind of music they listen to, they do listen to music. We will have to compel them to ensure that we pass this bill that is proposing that 75% of the airplay should be given to Kenyan artists. In any club, 75% of music should be from Kenyan artists. In any media station, be it radio, electronic, or even discussing in print media, that is the newspapers, the first most important, the second most important agenda should be the Kenyan artists. And now Kazi is on the artists who are Kenyans. We also expect you to produce quality music, danceable music, seductive music, orthogonal music, just good music for the heart. But so far, so good. So far, we appreciate you. You are doing a great job as the Kenyan artist. Kwanza Kazi, mimi nikiwekewa ngoma, mi ukula hizo ngoma za Kenyan artists sana. Iko sawa. We are so happy and we are going to support you. Kazi kwenyu, hakikisha mtoe kitu serious ambayo tunaweza cheza, ambayo naweza tumia nikitaka hata kufurahisha bibi. Hata naweza weka na hizo mabeats nikitibimize na dialize. Nikitibimize na dialize my wife. Naenda na beats. Kazi iwe sawa. Asanteni sana. Tuko pamoja. Wacha nipatie Honorable Jagwa an opportunity to also address.
First of all, I want to thank Eric for the fight he has been fighting. You media guys for the support. You have been with him throughout this journey. Na niseme kama last week when you had the other press conference, we are going to support, and like my colleague have said, Babu, we are going to make sure not even 75%. If it will be, Kenyan artists will produce good music, we'll even push to 100%. As I said last time we had the press conference, the law is there. But you're also going to emphasize and talk to our colleagues to make sure that they support this bill, as Babu have said. We're also going to engage CA, Communications Authority, because as I told you last week, there is a stakeholders meeting that is held after every 2 years. So I'm mobilizing, I've started mobilizing, and I also talked to Eric about it, whereby we are going to mobilize that so that when the decisions are being made of the percentage of music that the local content that is aired on our media stations, the artists are there to negotiate, they are there to prove that they have the content so that at least we move together.